Hello, we're in Berlin right now. It's about, how cold is it?
3 degrees?
25 Fahrenheit? Yeah, it's just ungodly. How long have you been modeling?
16 years. But I'm a lawyer.
I don't know Berlin. I'm just gonna whip it around right here. So we're in, I don't know what we're in. And
Kreuzberg.
A Kreuzberg?
Kreuzberg, yeah.
Oh, I know it's Kreuzberg.
Yeah.
And
there's also a hipstery part of Kreuzberg.
Yeah, I saw a lot of cool kids.
Yeah.
I feel intimidated. It's alright, we're gonna be cool. We're gonna blend in. We're gonna get shooting then. Let's do it.
Right. German photographers are always so mean.
How can they be? This is actually my mean side already, so.
Oh, okay.
So, I don't know.
They don't say anything or like, yeah, turn around.
Let's go ahead and let's try sitting on that one. Let's see what it looks like. I have no idea how it looks. Let's go ahead and scoot you off a little bit. Nice. I'm gonna wait for background clear.
So I like talking with my models a lot and staying engaged with them, but maybe I just like talking a lot.
Nice. A little less smile on this one than the next one. Great. Hold it. Love it. Nice. Hold that actually for a second. Sounds good. An angle. Great. Eyes off.
People are.
Yes, suddenly there was nobody when I came in. Eyes off. Great.
The Kreuzbergers don't get out of bed until 2 p.m.
I kind of noticed. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and change out lenses for a second. It looks great so far.
Like, you're from America. Yeah, you told me you're from LA. It's polite to be like very friendly, and in Germany, you're just you work when you go to a shoot mostly. So it's very
Quiet, professional, cold.
professional oriented.
So I know for a lot of people, 25 degrees Fahrenheit isn't that cold, but I mean, from where I'm from, that's one of the first times I ever experienced that, and it was crazy for me.
Oh. This is gonna be full body now.
So I like to tell my models what my framing is, so we're kind of on the same page and just working towards the same shot. And you know, again, you want to always stay engaged, keep both of you in the moment. And if you haven't done split toning black and whites, you have to. I went in and put the hex codes up there for the highlights and shadows, and you can play around with that and see what you get. I felt like in Berlin in general, a lot of black and white shots I really liked. I'm not sure if it's the way the city is, the cloudy days, but it all just kind of comes together. So I just really love the black and whites here.
Let's get you in the middle right here, and then after we get a couple shots, we'll go in. More? Good. Hood down. Thank you. Nice. Go ahead and lean in a little bit towards me. Great. Love it. And one more. Wait, hold that. I love that. It's cute. Got it.
So this was only maybe 50 meters from where we started, so in 30 minutes it wasn't that far that we traveled, but I've kind of learned over time to just slow down the shoots a little bit and just keep it more relaxed so we can focus a little bit more on quality and, you know, just having fun.
Same thing like your code. We can add some snow in these actually. It'll be so funny.
This is running pretty fast.
Okay. We're going to lean a little bit into the lamp just to use it a little bit.
So a lot of models are gonna appreciate if you give them some direction to work with, just something to do. And you know, leaning into something, it's kind of an obvious thing, but I don't think it's as easy as it looks, strange as that sounds. I think if you lean into it and just barely touch it on one point like she's doing right there, it actually looks a lot better. And so, you know, pro tip, lean into it, but barely touch it. So I'm an actor myself, but when I watch the models perform in front of a crowd from a cold start, it's just so impressive sometimes, and I can't get over that. That's actually one of my favorite photos from the shoot. And you let me know what you think, but I feel like with women's accessories, like say a cape coat or hat or whatever it is, it can add so much more dimension and interest to the photos. And I'm a little jealous because as a guy, sometimes we have options, but I feel like they don't hit as hard as some of the women's clothes. But you let me know.
When you're ready.
And now we shoot the exact opposite. But you know what? One of my favorite photos came out of this section of it. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta get out of your comfort zone, right?
Okay, so we are done. And that was a wrap. Where are we right now?
We're still in Kreuzberg in a little nunnery.
Oh, wow, that's sacrilegious. So we were shooting around the church. I had no idea. Like, there was something special about today. I just really want to make sure we all know. She's 23?
Yeah,
22.
just turned.
It's her birthday day. So, I mean, happy birthday to me, apparently. But
yeah, happy birthday to all of us.
again, I could barely feel my face. I can't feel my fingers. But to her, she said it was too hot, so she started taking off the jacket.
This is my heavy-duty coat, so I could have done without the coat, actually.
I'm inviting her to LA so she feel like, I want to see as soon as she lands and see her like burst into flames.
It was really fun, and it was nice to do a shoot again because I have taken a little break, so it was a good being back.
Yeah, I would love to have everyone try to guess what her accent is. And you're wrong. Whatever you just guessed is wrong. That was great. This is my first time shooting in Berlin. Thank you so much for being like, and we just met too. So this is a great shoot. Alright, I will see you guys next time.